What is a virus? Viruses are the smallest forms of organisms on Earth. They are so small they can be called as a complex of molecules. What are viruses made of? Viruses are made up of replicable genetic material called RNA or DNA. This material is protected by layers of proteins and lipids. It is said that viruses are present on Earth since the beginning of life itself. They are ever present in our environment. Viruses cannot live independently in the environment for long. They grow inside other living cells. They need food and resources from these living cells. When viruses fall on specific kinds of living cells, they attack them, enter them, and begin to grow. Different viruses become active under different conditions. Some viruses attack animal cells while some attack plant cells. Under the right conditions, the virus begins to reproduce rapidly and increasingly attack and enter newer cells. We know of many such viruses: polio, smallpox, chickenpox, HIV, even our common flu is caused by rapidly growing viruses in our body. The recently discovered corona is also a virus. Don't fear though, our body has some ability to fight against many viruses. But our body has to first learn what kind of defense to use against the invading virus. White blood cells in our body are equipped to find ways to destroy the viruses and cells bearing the virus. But cells having viruses often do not show any signs of invasion. That is why our body cannot easily fight against them or ends up fighting healthy cells as well. Once our white blood cells find out how to tackle the virus, we slowly start to recover from the disease. For some viruses though, we cannot produce any defense ourselves. We need medicines or vaccines for overcoming them. And for some, there is no solution but only prevention. For many viruses, prevention is pretty simple. Washing hands, feet, and other exposed areas frequently with soap. When you wash hands with soap, the soap particles slowly break down the protective cover of the virus. Once the cover dissolves, the virus gets killed off and we are free from the chance of getting infections. Make sure to slowly wash with soap for more than 20 to 40 seconds to ensure that the virus is removed. Prevention also includes covering your nose, mouth and hands while sneezing or coughing. Avoiding crowds where there is high chance of getting infection. Eating clean and healthy home cooked food as much as possible. Finding scientific information about how a particular virus is spreading. Note: all images in this content are artistic representations. This is an attempt to make information simplified. For further details, please refer to the numerous resources available online and in various books.